I was really worried I would not get this package in time because I'm actually leaving Toronto in about like 9 hours to head over to Texas and just hang out and make some videos with Tim, Legit Vlogs. Shout out to you, Tim. See you soon. And it came in tonight, Wednesday or Thursday night, whatever night this is, but UPS usually doesn't deliver at like 9 p.m. This is like the second or third time in my entire life I've had a UPS package deliver this late into the day. So with that said, we have a massive, not even that big, it's like average size box today to unbox. It's a mystery box from the friends over at Foot Locker Canada. So shout out to Foot Locker for sending over this package. I figured I'd do a quick little unboxing for you guys today and just give you guys an idea of some new sneakers you might want to purchase. Also, I am uploading frequently on SneakerTalk 365. So if you guys haven't heard about it yet, SneakerTalk 365 is my dedicated like sneaker review channel and my like sneaker blog where I'm just gonna post a lot more extra sneaker videos and content. We have an Instagram for it as well at SneakerTalk 365, and if you guys want to get a feature on that channel, like a little shout out or anything like that, use the hashtag SneakerTalk365 on Instagram and I might repost your photos over on there as well. So if you guys want more sneaker content, I'm uploading on there pretty much daily. I have a lot of reviews on the way, so if you're looking for more reviews, more sneaker info, I got you covered. With that said, boom, today we got a brand new pair, so let me just slice and dice. I have a slight idea of what shoe might be inside of this box because Foot Locker actually hit me up and they wanted to make sure I actually like what I get. So I appreciate that, Foot Locker. That's really cool of you guys, you know, making sure that you're lacing us up with shoes that I can genuinely rock and flex on the haters. Okay, I'm not flexing today. Apparently I can't open this damn box. There we go. Ooh, bubble wrap. We got lots and lots of bubble wrap. Hell yeah. Ooh, this is cool. This is a really cool box. This is not your typical box. This is like a, what the heck? This is dope. So this box is really cool. What the heck? It's like this silver metallic box. It has like a world map on it and it has like a bunch of like stickers kind of thing printed all over the box. It says London, Berlin, Paris. But let me actually bring this up, give you guys a better look at the box. So here it is. Look, it's like a reflective mirror kind of box. We got these little stickers around the world. Sort of reminds me of like, I forget what the exact word is, but like postcards, little stamp things for your passport. So that's really cool. And yeah, bam. There's a look, and here is a little tag, little thing from, oh, we got a little tag with my name on it. That's pretty dope. At SneakerTalk CA, Foot Locker Week of Greatness. So if you guys don't know, Foot Locker's Week of Greatness, I think it just finished up because it was like, I'm pretty sure it was during the Black Friday week. So yeah, I think I was supposed to get this package like last week, but UPS was playing games. I don't know what they were doing, but I'm happy we finally got these sneakers in, and I'm really hyped to actually open these up and show them to you guys, because these might be, I think, one of the best sneaker releases of the year, considering my love for a certain place in the world and just how much I would probably wear these sneakers, because this is potentially one of the best beater sneakers that you can wear. So there's a little, I don't want to ruin it. Okay, how do I open this up without ruining the packaging? I think it's a slide thing we have going on here. I'm pretty sure it's a slide thing we have going on here. Be right back. Technical difficulties. I just took this in. This is like perfect timing. I'm receiving this package because I'm actually going to Texas tomorrow morning in like 9 hours. Foot Locker, the Week of Greatness. Bum ba da bum. All right, here we go. Okay, have a little letter right here. So I guess we should just read this real quick and then we can get into the sneakers. Foot Locker Week of Greatness. To the outside world, we are a little unusual. Why do we get up at 3 a.m. to cop a drop in a different time zone? Why do we secretly sniff our box fresh sneakers? To us, the answer is obvious, because sneakers. So this Week of Greatness, Foot Locker is celebrating the quirks that make us unique with a week of the freshest drops to unite global sneaker community. No matter where you're from or what your background, you understand why we do what we do. Hashtag because sneakers at Foot Locker Canada. And pretty cool packaging on the letter, you could say. It has like this like priority label, like it's a postcard mail thing. And then on the inside of the box, we got some stickers. Yes, we got some sticker goodness. I remember last year they had some stickers as well. On the inside of the box, let's experience this together, guys. Yeah, a bunch of different cities like printed into silver font all over the lid of the box on the inside of the lid. Let's open up the packaging here. As far as the tissue paper goes, it's this like world map. Damn, son. Ooh. These are nice. These are so nice. So these sneakers are the Japan pack by Vans, the calligraphy pack. Damn, so yo, check these out. These are fresh. These are fresh. And you know what? In honor of the kind of, you know, video this is, since they mentioned it on the postcard, that's actually genuinely really refreshing. That's some good stuff. Has a nice little kick to it. You guys know I absolutely love Japan. Japan's like my favorite place on earth besides the Philippines and besides Toronto. Japan has my heart and I'm really looking forward to going back next year a whole ton. Being the total weeb that I am, a total Japan enthusiast, I'm stoked to have the Vans Skate High Japan calligraphy pack in my possession. Now this is one of 2 sneakers in the pack, or one of 3 sneakers in the pack. I think they made one just like this, but it was all black, so no hits of red. I got the red pair right here, and as you guys know, this black and red color scheme resonates with me. It's perfect for me. It's gonna match with so many different clothing in my wardrobe. And on top of that, I like the rising sun like image, that whole rising sun thing in Japan, and that's like boom, just all together. It just comes together so nicely, and it has that like famous white and black checkered print that everybody's been going crazy for their authentic Vans. And then this is something that's really cool. It has kanji right here all across the midsole. Just, that's dope, man. This is so fresh. This is so fresh. And we got the red Vans off the wall tongue right there. So this is dope. Thank you so much, Foot Locker. I really appreciate you guys sending these Vans over to me. Really like these. And by the way, for those of you guys who don't know, the tag right here that is on this pair of Vans is actually a sticker. So if you ever buy a pair of Vans, you get a free sticker with your purchase. So I love these sneakers so much. We're gonna do a dedicated sneaker review for these sneakers later this week on the channel. I'll bring these with me to Texas, and yeah, if you guys want to buy these sneakers, I'll leave these links down below to Foot Locker's website if they have them on the Foot Locker website. They have another pair of sneakers from the pack, so I'll have that on screen right now. It's like an all black Vans Skate High. There's like a tiger patch on it and some other cool details to it. So that's the other colorway from the Vans Japan calligraphy pack, and this is just so, oh my god, I can't wait to review these for you guys. If you guys did make it to the very end of the video, do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button down below. Let's see if we can get 1,000 thumbs up, and I have a lot of sneaker giveaways on the way, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit that red button down below. Follow me on Instagram at SneakerTalkCA, and follow my sneaker blog at SneakerTalk365. Comment down below Japan gang, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about these sneakers too. I'd love to hear what you guys think about these, and I'll leave you guys with some on-feet footage coming up next. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.